Hello, welcome to AI Factory.
Attention creators. Starting July 15th, 2025, YouTube is tightening the reins on AI-generated content. If your videos feel too robotic or look mass-produced, even if you made them, you could lose your monetization overnight.
YouTube's updated policy now targets AI-heavy content that lacks originality. Their automated system will start flagging channels that churn out repetitive or low-effort AI videos. Meeting subscriber and watch hour thresholds won't save you anymore. Authenticity is the new gatekeeper. Smart AI use dynamic content, human narration, storytelling. Risk zone, monotonous animations, zero voiceover, similar visuals repeated. YouTube's new policy now flags channels that rely on repetitive, AI-generated videos lacking originality. Even if you meet monetization requirements, your channel could be demonetized. Creators running AI, reaction, or automated short-form channels are especially at risk. If your channel isn't earning yet and uses unmanned content, this update is critical. YouTube is doubling down on originality and real value. The platform wants viewers to experience genuine insights, diverse opinions, and meaningful entertainment, not mass-produced content from automated channels. The recent policy update has sent shockwaves through the creator community, sparking concern among those relying on AI-driven or low-effort production. A YouTube employee recently addressed concerns in the creator community regarding the July 15th update.
Let's answer some of your most frequent questions and clear this all up. So, what's changing? Exactly. Mainly, repetitious content is being renamed inauthentic content. This is to clarify that the policy includes content that's mass-produced or repetitive, which is content viewers often consider spam. This content has always been ineligible for monetization, as we've always required content to be original and authentic for YPP. This is just meant to better identify that. Does this relate to reused content? No. There are no changes to YouTube's reused content policies on clips, compilations, reaction content. All of this can continue to be monetized if you've added significant original commentary, modifications, or educational or entertainment value to the original video. What about AI content? YouTube welcomes creators using AI tools to enhance storytelling, and channels that use AI in their content remain eligible for monetization. YouTube provides...
First and foremost, there's no new YPP, YouTube Partner Program policy. What's changed is the stricter enforcement of existing guidelines, particularly around repetitive content. For experienced creators who've faced YPP rejection or demonetization, this likely stems from violating the repetitious content rule. This refers to mass-produced, low-effort videos that resemble spam. Such content has never qualified for monetization, and YouTube is now doubling down on ensuring that only original and authentic content can earn revenue. The same update is available in YouTube's Help Center, where they've also addressed additional questions from creators seeking clarity. Does this relate to reused content? Our policies around reused content, such as commentary, compilations, clips, and reaction videos, remain unchanged. You can still monetize this type of content as long as you've added meaningful original input, whether through commentary, creative edits, or educational or entertainment value. Will using AI in my content be a violation of inauthentic content? Creators can use AI to boost storytelling, and AI-assisted content is still eligible for monetization. However, all channels must follow monetization rules, and any realistic or synthetic content must be clearly disclosed. Can you give some examples of what is considered mass-produced content? Examples of mass-produced content might include channels posting narrated stories that are nearly identical in structure or style, slideshows with repetitive narration across multiple uploads. What exactly puts you on YouTube's radar? Content built from recycled templates, near-identical visuals, or repetitive voiceovers. AI-generated videos with little to no human input, like bulk uploads from prompt-based tools. Edited clips from other creators that lack original commentary, insight, or narration. Examples: endless AI-generated fruit slicing, cute pets doing nothing, or lifeless face swaps. YouTube isn't against AI, it's cracking down on low-effort, automated content. To keep your channel safe, let AI support your creativity, not take over entirely. Include your own insights, narrative, or perspective. Make sure every video has intention and originality, not just stitched together clips with no context. Channels like Top 5's demonstrate how repurposing existing content can be both effective and compliant when done thoughtfully. What sets them apart is the added layer of personal narration and meaningful analysis, turning familiar footage into something fresh and insightful. This kind of transformation reflects the true intention behind fair use. Not just reusing clips, but reimagining them with originality and purpose. YouTube continues to emphasize creativity and authenticity, especially as it navigates copyright standards. To make your content shine, invest time in your visual presentation. Instead of relying entirely on AI-generated thumbnails, try crafting your own or enhancing them with unique design elements. This not only boosts appeal, but also reflects genuine effort. A great strategy to protect your identity and boost your brand is to introduce a virtual character as the face of your channel. This approach keeps you off camera while giving your content a distinct and memorable personality. Many popular creators use animated hosts to build familiarity and trust with their audience over time. Creating a virtual persona is easier than ever with today's AI and design tools, including ones like ChatGPT. It's more than just a branding tactic. You're developing your own intellectual property and giving your channel a unique voice. In my earlier tutorials, I've covered how to build and animate your own virtual characters or AI-driven influencers. You'll also find tips on transforming AI-generated images into engaging videos. Feel free to explore my channel for all the tools and techniques you need to get started. To bring your virtual character to life, consider using AI-generated voiceovers or your own voice with personality and emotion. A bit of humor and expressive delivery can transform your videos from robotic to relatable. Creators who blend imagination with smart tech are redefining what engaging content looks like. Here are 4 effective ways to weave AI into your content approach. Develop a distinct AI character that grows alongside your brand. Use a digital avatar combined with your real voice to maintain a personal touch. Let your audience in on how you create. Openness builds credibility and connection. Transform your workflows into guides, examples, or shared resources to support and inspire fellow creators. This isn't a brand new policy, nor is it targeting reaction or AI-driven channels specifically. The real focus is on content that lacks meaningful transformation. Viewers tend to lose interest in videos that feel repetitive, robotic, or obviously stitched together without effort. YouTube is simply refining its guidelines and review process to better detect and filter out low-effort, low-value uploads. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.